Number 4. Moving right along to number 4. So I finished 3. I'm going to go up here. Gonna right click to make a new component. I'm going to call it component 4. No, I'm going to call it problem 4. So problem 4, click OK. New component down here. Going to create a sketch on the front view. And just like I've done all the previous times, they come right off of that. Keeping them all level. Don't necessarily have to do this, but I've been doing it. And problem 4 is once again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is another 8 by 5. So another 8 by 5. And then looking at this, there are definitely things we want to cut. So I'm going to save myself a step later by taking care of it now. I'm going to draw a rectangle on here. And this rectangle from here to here is 3. And from here to right here is 2. And we're going to hit the old finish sketch button. And I'm going to extrude from here back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So -4 back. Whew. I didn't even plan on it landing there. It just did. Alright, so we went -4 back. And then we got some work to do. Now, since I like cut from right here, it's going to make things a little more difficult to cut this area out here. I'm going to have to do an extra step. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on that top flat face. Got to rotate. So I'm going to turn this off so you can see. I'm going to rotate around. Make sure everything's lining up right. And what I want to do is I want to make a box in here. But the thing is, I need to use a tool called projecting the geometry. So I need to go to project and click on that. What that does is now I can actually make sketches off of this slanted area, whereas I could not before. I wouldn't have been able to snap onto that corner. But since I can now, that makes my life super easy because I just need to draw a rectangle that is 2 inches by 5 inches, which happens to draw it from that bottom corner to right there where it links up. And if you don't believe me, we got 5 inches here, and it's going to say you can't do that because you can't. It's going to say you can't do that because you can't. Because when we clicked on this center point, we said, yes, we want it to go over there, which means the computer's like, hey, it's already 2 by 5, and you said it can't move, so it's dimensioned. So we got that, which is great. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. And go up to the top view, and we're going to take this, and you see how now it's going down perpendicular to the base. And we will just cut that out. Okay. And then I just got to cut out over here. So I'm going to make a sketch onto this face right here. I'm going to make a triangle in here. So from here to here, I'll draw something. From here. And this is a triangle that's only going to need 1 dimension because I know the top dimension is right there. So I only need this dimension, which from here to here is 3. From there to there is 3. Okay. Hit Finish Sketch. Spin it. Going to extrude. I'm going to click. And we'll extrude in 3. And there you go. That's number 4. Slap some color on it. Let's go with white. All right, that's number 4. I'll see you for number 5.